gonna Angry Birds. I'm gonna Angry Birds Rio. I miss these games. Rio Seasons. Stella. Fuck. It's harder than it looks. Just fly. That was a pretty sound. Good. Who's making these? Who's making these? Who's creating these? Measuring these boxes? Why is there just mountains? Is it the pigs? Because the pigs. Well, I hate to break it to you, but the pigs aren't here. Why would the pigs cage them? Does that happen in Rio? I don't think I've seen Rio. Wasn't that from like 2016 or something? Ah, damn it, 2016 or something. So that okay. That should be falling, by the way. Why not? That's not how that should work. Not how should that pan out. That shouldn't pan out like that. Okay, good. That's a lot of birds. But yeah, is there cages in Rio? Just caged birds? Like, is that something that 2 stars? Is this something? Okay, this is just absurd. Why another mountain of boxes? No rhyme or reason, but okay. That's good. That's standy. Okay, good. What? How did that not? What the hell? That you saw that? That should have been. That should have been good. That should have been proper. But I'm not a very happy bird right now. I'm not a happy camper. Don't make me angry bird. Don't make me an angry bird. I'm helping the angry birds. I'm not an angry bird. I don't think that this would help though. Crushing them on themselves in the cages. It's just that doesn't sound like it'd break it open. Or like bumping it with like a broad bird chest that doesn't. Broad bird breast, I don't know. Damn it. Oh, wait. Okay, good. That kinda played. Good. Okay, just don't fuck it up. Okay. I just said not to. Okay. It's just. Oh, come on. I'm gonna do it again. Good. Can't. Oh, come on. Alright. Come on. good. But yeah, why? Oh, by the way, why can't we fly? The birds in the cages when you do the thing in the thing, they come out, they fly. Why can't we fly? Do we have a condition or something? Well, I don't understand. Do they find this fun? Because, I mean, if you're saving the birds, wouldn't you want to fly and help them and save them quickly? I don't understand that. Looking too much into Angry Birds, I guess, but I don't understand. But yeah, I miss the Angry Birds that aren't out anymore. The Rios and Seasons and Stella, and there's probably more. Those are just the ones I think of. Okay, good. What? That's not. What is this? Like, are the laws and the rules of nature? They're just going off of Minecraft physics. I don't understand that. Floating mountains of cardboard. I don't understand. Thank you. I mean, I didn't get it, but at least that time I got it right. Okay. Alright, that. What? What? That should have been good. I don't understand. That was spot on. Did the birds not like me because I'm not good with... Come on. Because I'm not good with the birds? Because I'm kind of sucking. Not very happy. I'm not a happy camper. Don't make me Angry Bird. Okay? I don't... Okay. Oops. Right. Oops. Where's the bird? Where's the bird sounds? I don't... Fuck. Funny story. I kind of don't have the other levels, so you're gonna have to suck it up. Okay. I didn't... My stuff messed up, so I don't really got that anymore, but it's okay. It's okay. It's fine. Okay. This is just World 1. Okay. And they're harder. I keep messing up. I got it like down like a I don't know. It's just I've been trying going at it and I suck. It's just it's getting to me. But you know, I don't know how long I've been Angry Birding, but you know, still sucks how you can only play Rio and you gotta do some special, like, okay, I'm good.